Right now, I'm joined by Aditya Khanna, who is the director of PWR. How excited, Aditya, you are to see large number of people here watching sports and players from almost 22 states, right from Kashmir to Gujarat, Kashmir to Kerala, playing here game. It has turned like a mini India if we talk about the Bennett University.
No, first of all, great campus, and it's a privilege for all the people from all over India who've come to be at this wonderful campus, to be here for the fourth IPA Nationals. Players from 22 states, all different age groups. There are more than 400 players participating over here, and it's been a festival of Indian pickleball, as you can say, at the Bennett University. And last 3 days has seen some exciting competition of all age groups, and today is the finals of men's and women's, also singles, and some older categories as well. But the beauty of this tournament has also been the junior players who've come from different states, in under 12, under 14, under 16, under 18, participation of more than 100, 150 kids has happened in the sport like pickleball, which is fairly new in the last 1 year, and we're seeing grassroots development. And kudos to Indian pickleball for bringing so many kids together and doing grassroots development, and to Bennett University and Times Group for hosting them so wonderfully.
When you look at the infrastructure, because you had seen the matches being played in different parts of the world, when you look at the infrastructure, the world-class infrastructure that's being provided at the Bennett University, so how do you find it? And how it is really going to contribute in promoting the sport?
No, when I see this infrastructure, first of all, I feel like going back to college myself. This was not available when I was studying. It's a privilege for students who are studying over here, because this is not the overall beautiful academic campus, but the sports campus of this Bennett University is probably the best in India, and competing probably one of the best in the world. With pickleball, with paddle, with tennis courts, with cricket, football. There's every sport which is available here. So for a student to be studying over here, it is a great opportunity, both academically and sports-wise, to be a part of this institution. And what Bennett and Times Group is doing for new age sports like pickleball is totally wonderful. I think the leaders in India to make pickleball superpower in the world of, India has become going to be a superpower of pickleball in the world, and Times Group and Bennett is actually leading it.
See, I would like to contradict you here, because you are the one who had also been the part of the promotion so far as the pickleball is concerned, and you said that for education and for pickleball, there is no age. At any given point of time, you can start this thing, and you can also be the part of the Bennett Institute.
हाँ, अब तो PhD करनी पड़ेगी ना आने के लिए मेरी उम्र में तो. But yes, pickleball also is a sport for all ages, and this obviously one more thing I'd like to add is this is the PWR 700 event. So the beauty of this event is that all the players who are playing are going to be ranked internationally as well. We just had a PWR 700 event all over the world. It is happening in UAE, in Japan, in Vietnam, and this is a 700 event where all players playing here are going to get a global international ranking as well, which was followed by the Duper India, which happened in DLTA. So that's a huge opportunity for all the players to get some international ranking points as well.
What really excited me more was because, one, it's a very new sport. It is becoming fast, it's becoming very popular also. And everybody is picking up paddle and they want to play this game, and they're getting that Maza 4-into-1 in one game only. So that's what actually the people are getting addicted to. But what is more important is that it's a new game, but still so much excitement, and you'll find large number of spectators here, because spectators, I feel, it's always like an oxygen to the ecosystem of the sport. And how good you feel when you see the youngsters cheering up for the players who are playing the tournament here?
No, I think the spectator response has been overwhelming over here. First of all, people have come from all over Delhi, and also all the BU students over here cheering for different participants, and we have some amazing players also competing over here. Amongst the top men's players playing, like Arman Bhatia is here, Aditya Rohila is here. So they are Indian icons and global icons in pickleball. So of course, people from all across the country are coming to see them play. Pickleball participants are seeing them play, and of course the Bennett University students also. So overwhelming response from the audience, and we're just overwhelmed with the response, not only in participants but the audience as well.
Do you think that's going to further inspire the youngsters, the new generation, to pick up this game and be a part of it and make India proud by getting and winning medals at the international level?
Yes, I think this is just the start of the pickleball revolution in India, and juniors have started picking up the sport, and we are envisioning pickleball in 2036 to be an Olympic sport as well. So I think the dream is not very far that we will be having Indian players who will be competing at the highest level in competing for Asian medals and Olympic medals as well. And that is why development what Indian Pickleball Association is doing at the grassroots level by starting academies, by hosting nationals, by starting grassroots development at a young age is the most critical. And it's wonderful to see all the kids who've come and participated from all over India at the 4th IPA Nationals. And the sport is here to stay and grow multiple folds.